solving this equation looks really complicated, but in actuality it's not. The most important thing that we need to realize is that when we take a square root, there is a positive answer and a negative answer. And that will help us a lot to solve it, because there are probably two answers to this equation. And actually, I know there are two answers that both work. So let's take a look at what they are. Since I want to try to get my x by itself, I'm going to start the furthest away from it, and I'm going to add 9 to both sides. So 9 is going to equal x minus 2 squared. To undo a square, I'm going to take a square root. This is where I need to remember the whole positive and negative answer thing, because the square root of 9 we all know is 3, but also negative 3, because negative 3 times itself is still positive 9. So I'm going to write this could equal 3 or it could equal negative 3. And at that point, I'm going to do two separate equations. 3 equals x minus 2, negative 3 equals x minus 2. And when I add 2 to both sides, x equals 5, and x equals negative 1. And so I do have two solutions. I want to plug those in. So 5 minus 2 is 3. 3 squared minus 9 is definitely 0. Negative 1 minus 2 gives us negative 3. Negative 3 squared is 9. Minus 9 is also 0. So both of these work. And that's, I think, a pretty simple way to go about solving this equation. Don't forget, square roots have positive and negative answers.